how to enable USB debugging on a Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow USB debugging on your Samsung phone. And this could be useful if you're connecting your Samsung phone to a computer, maybe transferring files or doing any debugging or using a tool like ADB, something like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, we need to enable developer options on our Samsung phone. And we can easily do that by first swiping up and then opening up the settings app on our Samsung phone. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom and select About Phone. Once you get into About Phone, select Software Information. And then all you need to do is find build number and select build number 7 times. So I'm just going to tap it 7 times. You'll see it start counting down. And then once it asks you to unlock your phone, go ahead and do that. And then after you do that, it'll ask you, do you want to allow development settings? So go ahead and select OK. After you've allowed it, go back to the main settings page here and just scroll down all the way to the bottom and you'll see developer options. Now, once in developer options, all we need to do is scroll down to the second section and you'll see under debugging, USB debugging, toggle that on, select OK. And now we have enabled USB debugging on our Samsung phone. We can close the settings and start using it in any way we need to. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.